Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the exam proctoring system is a machine learning based project designed using Techie module of Python and developed using Python programming language. So this is the home page. You just have to click on the start detection. Okay, and it will open the laptop front camera and it will detect the person and also detect the eyeballs. So aim of the tool is to determine whether a student is cheating in examination.
Looking right.
If he or she found cheating, it will give the warning for some time, and even after multiple warnings,
Head right.
he or she found cheating, examination will be closed automatically. Okay, so it can also detect the phone.
Head up. Head up.
Like if person using the phone
Warning count 1.
in between the exam, then it will detect and give the alert warning.
Warning count 2. Warning count 3. Warning count 4. Warning count 5. Warning count 6. Your exam is getting closed.
So it will give the alert sound. And this is the about system. Okay, this is the complete project and this is the exit button. If you are in doubt, then you can contact us. I'll provide the contact link in description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.